black, love, and confidence too. Kinda quintessential and you loving you. Baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, it's your girl here, Janae, back with another video. So I am about to do a top knot bun on dirty old hair. So anyways, I am going to start off with putting Wetline extreme gel on the perimeter of my hair. So I am actually trying to make my hair last at least one more a day. So I'm just going to do a cute little style just to get my hair out the way. It's hot outside as well, so this is definitely perfect for the summertime. So I just take my hard bristle brush and I just start to brush my hair. And yeah, my muscles normally pop, just giving y'all a warning when I do my hair like this. Like y'all gonna see some hard muscle just popping everywhere, you know. But anyways, so this is very tiresome, y'all. I actually was so tired, like my arms was giving out. But I went through, y'all. I didn't give up. So I just gathered all of my hair together into a little ponytail. I smoothed it out. Then I apply my hair tie on. And I wrap it around just 2 times, and it was at this moment I knew I was tired. And I really kind of wanted to give up, but I was like, nah, keep on going. So after I secure that, I am going to actually take another hair tie, and I'm just going to move this hair out my face. I'm not actually setting my style right now, but we're going to focus more on my edges right now. So I take some more Wetline Extreme Gel just to slick my edges down a little, and I just take my brush, my edge brush, and I just comb out all of my edges that I want to actually comb out. So the edge control I like to use is Murray's Edge Wax. I actually recently started using this and I actually love it because it actually holds my edges, no curling up and nothing like that. Only it really kind of curls up if I don't apply enough, so I gotta make sure that I do apply just enough. And I also have to lay my headscarf down on it to actually lay it, but I didn't do that in this video, but it's okay because my edges still was laying. So I'm just going to be using my fingers to help guide me, and I'm just swooping it to whatever direction I want it to go in, kind of going with my hairline. And I just do a little swirl right there, you know, brush that little, comb that little back right there. You won't want that in the way. And I just bring my fingers, smooth it with it, and just take my comb and kind of swirl. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm just going with my hairline like I said. And yeah, I'm not no guru with edges, so yeah. And I don't know if y'all have a problem with this. Like, I know I do. Like, I'll apply my makeup on and then I'll do my edges, but I tend to get makeup on my hair as I'm laying my edges. I don't really know if there's a trick for that. Maybe I need to do my edges before I apply my makeup. But if there's makeup on your edges, just use like a makeup wipe and just wipe it off. But anyway, so yeah, as you see, I'm just laying that down my fingers. I'm kind of swirling in this direction, and yeah, we're gonna keep on keeping on. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my bun. So with this bun, I actually take my hair pick and I just start picking it out as high as it can actually go. I just keep picking it and picking it until it gets really tall. And I kind of shape and mold it as I am picking it. And I do use my hands as well. Using your hands is very crucial when it comes down to styling. You know, doing like a hairstyle like this, you want to actually use your hands to help guide where you want your hair to lay or how you want it to be. So yeah, I'm just using my hands as well, and I'm using my pick, and I'm just kind of molding it. I'm taking some of my hair and I'm kind of wrapping it around, and I can't really explain thoroughly what I'm doing, but you get the picture here. So I just wrapped it around a little. I am taking a hair tie to kind of help secure my bun. After I put the hair tie on, I do stretch it out with my hands. I get my pick again and I start picking it. And as you see, I'm using my hands a lot. You really just kind of play with it and mold it. My hair actually does have some gel on it, so it sticks, like my style is actually sticking because of the stickiness of the gel. So that actually helps mold it as well. I didn't really have to use any hairspray, any hair spritz or anything to hold my bun. But if you have a bun that actually is floppy and moves around, it's actually good to add a setting spray, spritz, or whatever you need to add to make it stay. So as you see, I wrapped it around again. I'm just using my pick and I'm patting my hair as well to help mold it as well. I am repeatedly patting my hair to mold it because there are some spots that I don't like. So again, I'm using my hands as a guidance, but really this is pretty much the hairstyle. I do apply some more Murray's Edge West just to ensure that my hair is laid down. And like I said, I did not use a headscarf or anything to actually help me lay my hairs down, so this is really what it's going to be. I could have done that, but I really didn't feel like it. I kind of like my hair to not look so perfect anyways. But anyway, I just take the end of this comb and I just smooth it out into my bun. Anything that's just like any flyaways or anything. Alright, so we finally got to the end of this video. This is how my hair looks from the back, and I turn to the side and boom, bam, everything is laid and slayed. Hit me up in my comment box below if you want to see me do another hairstyle. What would you like for it to be? I am open for suggestions, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love y'all. Bye.